What if you could legally manage a crypto investments for other investors and build your own digital asset fund? In 2026, crypto funds are becoming one of the fastest growing sectors in finance. Institutional investors, family offices, and high net worth individuals are all looking for professional managers who understand digital assets. But launching a crypto fund isn't as simple as opening and handling trading account. There are legal structures, compliance and rules, custody solutions, and investor protections you need to get right. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process in launching a crypto fund in 2026. Hey, it's Frank Nagy. Welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial markets. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Step 1, choose the right jurisdiction. The first step is deciding where your crypto fund will be domiciled. Most digital asset funds are formed offshore in financial centers that offer regulatory clarity and tax neutrality. Some of the most common jurisdictions include the British Virgin Islands. Now, this jurisdiction is popular and will allow hedge fund structures that can accept capital from international investors. Your hedge fund will typically be structured as an incorporated entity with a management company and that earns performance and management fees. Choosing the right jurisdiction is critical because it determines your regulatory obligations and investor eligibility. Step 2, create the fund structure. A professional crypto fund usually has two entities. First, the fund itself, which is domiciled, let's say, in the US or the BVI. And the second is the investment manager, which also can be in the BVI or in the US if you're US persons. In many cases, the manager is located in the United States while the fund is located offshore. This creates a structure where the manager earns typically a 2% management fee off of assets under management and a performance fee of 20% or more on profits earned. This is commonly known as the 2 and 20 model. Your fund documents will include the typical private placement memorandum or PPM, your subscription agreement, and or a limited partnership agreement if it's domiciled in the US. And these documents explain the risks and the strategy and the investor returns. Hiring experienced hedge fund consultant like Frank Nagy Financial Services will greatly reduce the burden of setting up your crypto hedge fund. A good consultant will make the appropriate reductions with administrators, auditors, attorneys, and custodians that will help your hedge fund grow. Step 3, compliance and investor rules. Even though crypto is decentralized, crypto funds are not unregulated. If you are managing money for investors, and you must follow securities laws. In the US, most managers will rely on exemptions under the SEC Reg D offerings, and they must be addressed to accredited investors and qualified purchasers. This means your investors typically must meet certain income and net worth requirements. You also need to implement anti-money laundering or AML procedures, know your customers KYC, and investor verifications. Compliance is critical for protecting both your fund and the investors. Step 4, custody and security. One of the biggest concerns for investors in the crypto market is asset security. Professional funds rarely keep assets on exchanges. Instead, they use institutional custodians such as Coinbase. These platforms provide multi-signature wallets, institutional cold storage, insurance protection. Strong custody solutions are essential if you want to attract serious investors. Step 5, raising capital. Once the structure is ready, and the next step is raising capital. Most crypto funds raise their initial capital from high net worth investors, family offices, crypto entrepreneurs, digital asset enthusiasts, and others. A typical launch target might be 5 million to 25 million assets under management. Your edge as a manager will come from a clear investment strategy, a proven trading experience, and risk management discipline. Launching a crypto fund in 2026 is one of the most exciting opportunities in modern finance, but success requires more than trading skills. If done correctly, a crypto fund can scale into a powerful asset management business. Hey, if you'd like to learn more about Frank Nagy Financial Services and how we can help you set up and structure your hedge fund or offshore broker-dealer, click on the links below in the description box.